Question number 1. Which of the following is not a macromolecule? A. Carbohydrates, B. Nitric acid, C. Protein, D. Glycerol. Answer D. Explanation. Carbohydrates, protein, lipid, and nucleic acid are natural occurring macromolecule, whereas glycerol is one small component of lipid. Question number 2. The monomer of a complex carbohydrate is A. a nucleotide, B. a fatty acid, C. an amino acid, D. a monosaccharide. Answer D. Monosaccharide. Monosaccharide is a monomer of carbohydrates. Question number 3. Structural polysaccharides include A. cellulose, hemicellulose, and chitin, B. cellulose, chitin, and starch, C. cellulose, starch, and glycogen, D. cellulose, glycogen, and chitin. Answer A. cellulose, hemicellulose, and chitin. Explanation. Cellulose, hemicellulose, and chitin are structural carbohydrates. Question number 4. Which of the following polymers are nutritional polysaccharides? A. starch and chitin, B. starch and cellulose, C. starch and glycogen, D. starch and glucose. Answer C. starch and glycogen. Explanation. Chitin and cellulose are structural polysaccharides. Starch and glycogen are stored chemical energy food in plants and animals, respectively. Hence, starch and glycogen are nutritional polysaccharides. Question number 5. Which of the following carbohydrates is a component of cell membrane? A. hemicellulose, B. cellulose, C. chitin, D. glycoprotein. Answer D. Glycoprotein. Explanation. Glycoprotein is made from carbohydrates and protein and one of the components of cell membrane. Question number 6. Which one is a common respiratory carbohydrate? A. glucose, B. chitin, C. sucrose, D. starch. Answer A. glucose. Explanation. Glucose is a common hexose that is to undergo respiration to give energy for the cell. Question number 7. Which of the following is not features of simple sugar? They are A. small molecules, B. sweet, C. readily soluble in water, D. not crystalline. Answer D. not crystalline. Explanation. Simple sugar are small sweet molecules readily dissolved in water and crystalline lattice. Question number 8. In polysaccharide, monosaccharides are joined by A. covalent bond, B. peptide bond, C. glycosidic bond, D. glucose bond. Answer C. glycosidic both. Explanation: in polysaccharides, the bond formed between two monosaccharides as a result of condensation is known as glycosidic bond. Question number 9. How many hydrogen atoms are contained in 2 moles of maltase molecule? A. 11, B. 22, C. 44, D. 48. Answer: C. 44. Explanation: maltase is a disaccharide molecule with a molecular formula C12H22O11. Thus, the number of hydrogen atoms for 2 mole of maltase is 44. Question number 10. What is the stored form of sugar that is found in human tissue? A. Cellulose, B. Coenzyme, C. Nucleic acid, D. Glycogen. Answer: D. Glycogen. Explanation: glycogen or animal starch is a polymer of glucose molecules that is stored in the liver and the muscle of animals. Question number 11. Which of the following sugar do babies get from the milk of their mother? A. Maltose, B. Sucrose, C. Lactose, D. Fructose. Answer: C. Lactose. Explanation: lactose is a disaccharide that present in milk and hence is called milk sugar. Question number 12. Which of the following is pair of elements are found in all carbohydrates in addition to the element carbon? A. Nitrogen and oxygen, B. Hydrogen and nitrogen, C. Hydrogen and oxygen, D. Phosphorus and nitrogen. Answer: C. Hydrogen and oxygen. Explanation: carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Question number 13. A carbohydrate compound is known to have 12 carbon atoms in the whole molecule. What could this compound be? A. A polypeptide, B. A disaccharide, C. A monosaccharide, D. A polysaccharide. Answer: B. A disaccharide. Explanation: carbohydrates that are made from 12 carbon atoms are disaccharides. Question number 14. In the formation of a macromolecules, what type of reaction would join two subunits together? A. Hydrolysis reaction, B. Dehydration reaction, C. Denaturation reaction, D. Hydrophobic reaction. Answer: B. Dehydration reaction. Explanation: two subunits or monomers are joined together by dehydration or condensation reaction. Question number 50. How many carbon atoms are there in one disaccharide molecule? A. 6, B. 12, C. 18, D. 24. Answer: B. 12.